Hi guys and girls, this is just a short video on the substitution method for solving simultaneous equations, which sounds really hard and can be a little bit difficult, but if you follow the steps you should be more than able to do it. Okay, so the first one I'm going to do is question 1. I'm just labeling him question 1. And my first step is just to write down the equation. So I've got 2a plus 3b equals 26. 2a plus 3b equals 26, and then I've got a equals 2b minus 8. a equals 2b minus 8. Okay, now looking at this, I know that 2 lots of something plus 3 lots of something equals 26, and the first something equals 2 lots of the second something, take 8. And what I've got to do is find 2 numbers that'll make that all work. So if I put those numbers back in at the end, the numbers I work out, I should have equations that make sense. Okay, that's kind of the target of this exercise. Okay, so in order to do it, what I'm going to do is take what a equals and substitute it back, thus the substitution method, into the first equation. Equation 1. So I'm going to take what a equals from equation 2, and I'm going to substitute it back into equation 1. Okay, so what I'm going to do is where I see a, I'm going to write the stuff above the green line. Okay, so here we go. 2, and now I'm putting in brackets because all of this stuff equals a. 2b minus 8. All of that equals a, so all of that needs to be doubled or times by 2. And then I just continue on. So after the a came plus 3b. Okay, so just to recap, the a is the pink stuff, and I just wrote it there because the a at the start I had 2 lots of that, and then the rest of the equation, the yellow highlight, it's just falling on the end. Okay, so now I've got that, I do my expanding the brackets. So 2 times 2b, 2 times 8. Okay, and if you want to know why that works, you can see my expanding the brackets video. So 2 lots of 2b is 4b minus 16. 2 times 2b is 4b. 2 times minus 8 minus 16 plus 3b. Okay, equals 26. And sorry, I should have put that one on the top one as well. So equals 26. Hopefully you'll forgive that little mistake. Okay, so now I've got 4b minus 16 plus 3b equals 26. Okay, so my job is to use my power of like terms and just go 4b and 3b I can add together. Okay, so I'm going to end up with 7b from the 4b and the 3b. Take away 16, the bit left over after I've added the b's together, equals 26. Okay, now to make this a little bit clearer, I can add 16 to both sides to cancel him out, get rid of that 16, and I end up with 7b equals now 16 plus 26 gives me 12 plus 30, 42. So 7b equals 42. 7 lots of something equal 42. So to work that out, I just divide by 7, divide by 7, and I get b equals 6. Okay? Now I've worked out what b is, but I've also got to work out what a is. Okay, so now I do my second substitution. This really is the substitution method. So for my second substitution, I just go back to that original equation 2, this one over here. Okay, and I'll do this next to equation 2, hopefully to make it a little bit simpler for you to follow. Okay, so I've got A equals 2 lots. Now I'm going to use B equals 6. So this B over here, sorry for the 2 highlights, has to equal 6. So 2 lots of 6, or 2 times 6 minus 8. So A equals 12, 2 lots of 6 minus 8. A equals 4. Okay, and we're done. That is the substitution method for solving simultaneous equations. Okay, and as promised, hopefully, if I haven't made mistakes, we'll have 2 numbers that satisfy both these original things. So let's just have a look at it. 2 lots of 4, so I'm just taking this 4 and I'm putting where the A is. 2 lots of 4 is 8 plus 3 6s, which is 18. 8 plus 18 equals 26, so that's good. And then just for equation 2, 2 lots of 6, my B is 12, take away 4, gives me, sorry, 4 is 2 lots of 6, take away 8. 4 is 2 lots of 6, take away 8, so that second one works as well. And that's the substitution method for solving simultaneous equations. Hopefully that was helpful.